So guys, I just received one of my package. So matagal ko na itong hinihintay. Ayan. So I have my little girl, Eliza, will be the one to unbox my, what's that? Malabubu. So this came from Neymar. Neymar gave it to me. It's actually this is my birthday gift and Christmas gift. So, ayan na. So, Eliza will open it. Ayan. Excited pa yung anak ko sa akin. Ayan. She will gonna open it. Sino kaya? Isa sa mga labubo. Which one? Ayan. Ayan. So, hindi natin alam. So, kung alin sa kanila yung laman ng box. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan. So, hindi natin. It's a mystery box. Ayan. So, we're gonna open. Ayan. So, Eliza will gonna open. You can clear that one. Oh, it's so easy to clear that one. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Wow. Whoa! Wow! Who's that? Sino kaya yan? Sinong pangalan niya?
Zizi.
Zizi?
Gali.
Sino?
He.
Hihi?
Yeah.
Oh, so adorable. This one. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. So, makita nyo. Ayan. Oops. Ayan. Ayan siya. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's my story for the day, guys. Thank you so much to Neymar for giving me this little cute labobo.